Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have what has turned into one of my favorite deals is the dollar days. The dollar days. And we'll go ahead and jump right in. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And actually, before we jump into the dollar days, it's confirmed, although I don't think there was that much excitement about it. Although 20% off a gas generator isn't too bad. It's confirmed 20% off all Predator gas generators. Exactly what we were seeing, 20% off, ITC, no coupon needed. Discount applied at the register 18th through the 20th, so that is the weekend deal. And then for everybody, 15% off all Predator gas generators. I made a video on it going through the price breakdown and which ones make sense to might as well get if you are in the market for one of the higher end generators, I think it was like $699 or above, you might as well get the ITC because the ITC membership will pay for itself, that extra 5% over the 15%. Anyways, here we go. Dollar days. Western safety glasses. Let's zoom in just a tad bit. Safety glasses available in 3 colors, $1, 49% off. Crazy discount. Either smoke lenses, yellow lenses, or clear lenses. Pretty good deal for some safety glasses. $1. Can't go wrong. Then we have the all-time coveted Pittsburgh lifetime warranty mini pick set and hook set. If you don't have a pick or hook set, for $1, 49% off, this is the way to go. Cause I mean, you'll realize often that you're gonna need something to pick at, something to get in between, and there's just something that doesn't exist. You need a pick set. You need a pick tool to be able to get at some really tight places to be able to pick at stuff. And this is it. This is handy to have around the house, and might as well for $1 if you're on your way to Harbor Freight this weekend. Actually, this goes to the 30th, so you'll have a chance to pick up this dollar pick set at Harbor Freight here for the next couple of weeks. Then we have the original Stick Tech 60-foot 3/4 inch industrial grade electric tape, $1, also 49% off. They're starting us off with some heavy hitters percentage wise. 49% off. Love to see that. Then we have the number 2 by 4-inch Phillips screwdriver, $1, 59% off. And we're gonna take a little bit of a deep dive here because this is looking like quite the screwdriver. And I thought maybe there was a little bit more to the hole here, but this is more just for hanging and maybe some ergonomics. But 59% off at $1 for a screwdriver. Phillips, that's tough to beat, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. That's $1 paying for itself for life. Then we have the classic Merlin 1/4 inch steel industrial coupler. Your choice, of course, of female or male. Again, we don't discriminate here. 49% off, $2. Then we have the Gordon utility knife for $2, 19% off. That's a whole 49 cents off. Then we have the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 4-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader. Sometimes you need something to go ahead and get them spread them good. $2, 12% off, saving 29 cents there. Okay. Then we have the HFT 0.2 fluid ounce semi-permanent thread lock for $2, 33% off. Okay. Nice red bottle. Blue thread lock. And we have the 1/8 inch by 50-foot paracord for $2, 49% off. The Centec, a little bit of a curveball here. Centec 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead. Normally $4.29, already a bargain, but you can get it for a clean, even $3, 30% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh, another lifetime warranty, 8-inch needle nose pliers. I'm sure these will pass the nickel or dime test. Somebody once told me 2 nickels don't equal a dime, but that's not when you're talking about tools. That's when you're talking about ladies. $3, 30% off. Vanguard 4-outlet power strip, $3, 24% off. Normally $3.99, save $1. And we have the Hardy nitrile dipped gardening gloves, 3 pair. Look pretty solid, $3, 24% off. I will never forget that they have 50% off for Hardy gloves pretty often. Pretty often. Merlin pistol grip blowgun for $4, 19% off, $1 off there. Then US General Alert, 6-inch magnetic parts holder, $4, 19% off. So decent discount on these, and they are as pretty as usual. $4, good time to pick these up. They do go sometimes 20% off certain deals, but 19% off is not too bad. Then we have the Gordon utility blades with dispenser, 50-pack. Always good to have some type of dispenser for your utility blades, just because if not, how are you getting them out? So this is a nice organized way, quick place to find all your blades when you need them. 50-pack, $4, 33% off, save $2. Then we have the Pittsburgh multi-use transfer pump, $5, 37% off, normally $8. We have the 16-ounce jet spray carb choke and parts cleaner for $5, 28% off, always super handy to have. And we have Hardy padded mechanics gloves, $5, 28% off. Then we have the Pittsburgh, of course, lifetime warranty, universal joint socket adapter set, 3-piece for $6, 39% off. Pretty good discount here, although I think these were also a free gift at one point, but not gonna pout about. 39% off. And then rounding out the last bits, we have the 11-foot and 4-inch by 11-foot and 6-inch all-purpose weather-resistant tarp. They put this in the dollar days, they put this in the super coupons, they put this in the ITC. $7, 29% off. It's about $3 off. Decent discount. And we have the Grant 6-inch universal pad, your choice, $8. Either the compounding, polishing, finishing foam 1-pack or the heavy cut microfiber 2-pack, 19% off. Normally $10, it is $8. And then we do have this brand new 11-ounce multi-purpose rubber coating, $8, 11% off. Normally $8.99. Plasti dip, and I was hoping it would say it was compared to the one from the infomercial that can save your boat from sinking. Then we have, last but not least, the Pittsburgh 3/8-inch drive quick release ratchet, lifetime warranty again. You're not going to get me off of Pittsburgh. I love me some Pittsburgh. 3/8-inch drive quick release ratchet, $9, 24% off. Normally $12, but you're getting $3 off and getting it for $9. Compare it to the Husky, 65% off of that. And those are our dollar days. Always some decent things to consider. These would be the things that you'll pick up on your already pre-planned trip to go pick up your mechanics cart, pick up some 25-pound US General magnetic hooks for $5. They're on sale, or whichever it is. Or if you're picking up a generator at 20% off if you're ITC, 15% off if you're everybody else, or if you believe it and they're doing the 10 days of deals coming up next week and you're waiting to get the $99 Daytona 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, or the $40 33% off Icon 1000 lumen light. Did a video on that. But some good time to pick up some of these dollar days. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. What are you planning on getting here over the next week or so? I'll keep an eye out for those deals for the rest of the 10 days of deals. And as soon as I have those and anything else, I will send them your way.